let's keep going.
Baby deers are cold farms. Wait a minute. It's the baby lions and the baby deers. Why they look like
That's the
females?
crying of the baby deer. That's the sound of.
Look.
We can just step in there to see the view.
See all the deers. We can see all the deers. Here. Look, there are many deers. There's too many deers.
Whoa!
But it's too far.
And then you can see it with their horns. Look at their horns.
Look, a doe.
Female deer. Let's continue. Let's continue this way.
JD. I think there.
Oh, right. That's just a rooster chicken. That's nothing. Let's go there to the steps. Here are the botanical chicken types.
Pheasant.
Here are the botanical chicken types. This is a fancy chicken. This they live in this country. Their fruit, they eat fruits and insect grass and seeds. The same thing as the chicken. Oh, on the other side, it's a pheasant. It means a silver pheasant. The food was fruits, seeds, insects, and worms. The same thing as the chicken from the other side. Okay.
Silver pheasant. Golden pheasant.
This is called
The phoenix chicken, also known as.
Yokohama chicken.
Oh my gosh.
Yokohama.
Chickens. Phoenix chickens means chicken with long coat. Again. And these are red golden pheasants.
Red golden pheasants are here. These are the coolest breed on earth.
But where's the female one? What's that?
The red golden pheasant. They are hard to find anywhere.
Red golden pheasants can be foods.
They can be foods from Indian.
Pheasants can be food. Disgusting.
Okay, let's continue.
Where are we going next?
What's on the top? Oh, look down there. There's
Eagles. The cage of eagles. Looks like the Philippine eagles.
You hold this.
Why?
Okay, here.
Hey, look. Look, the eagle. Like golden eagle.
Here are the eagles.
Monkey.
Eagles and monkey. You see what are the types of them? One of them are super cool.
Philippine hawk eagle.
Here over there is a Philippine hawk eagle. They're very cool. And but you don't feed them before they wanna attack you. Oh, that's just okay. Next is just on the other side. This bird. No, it's the same breed. Over there. Over there. It might be more cooler than you see.
Monkey.
Here are the monkeys. But didn't show us the breed.
Monkeys want to be free back. Because this one.
What is she doing? Look,
Nose and eat.
can we go inside? No, just here. Other side.
Okay, here, next.
Lizards.
What is this? This is a cool monkey.
Look, it says no free. Feed the monkeys.
This looks so cute.
Seems like a monkey.
Smile.
Oh, this looks.
Hey, look, is there a monkey? Yeah.
Okay, next stop. Here. Here. The lizard section. I mean, the reptile section. And one of them are reptiles.
Lizard. It's a lizard.
What is that? Monitor lizard.
There's the monitor lizard. Looks like a Komodo dragon.
I don't see it.
That's it. Where? Inside.
Okay, here. Here. Alma, save it.
Oh no,
But-
they're gone.
Save it. But I think they will look like raccoons to me. Okay. Okay, next.
Again. Next is they're at the water.
Monitor lizard. And then palms. Huh? And palm save it. Look, Philippines sailfin lizard.
Wait a minute, I saw that on.
Filipina sailfin lizard.
It looks like a bearded dragon.
This looks so cool. And to the other side, it's just nothing. Oh, look. More.
Look at this.
What did you see? Iguana! It's an iguana. It's an iguana.
Oh, okay. But let's go to the parrots.
It's an iguana.
Yeah.
Let's go to the parrots. Let's go see the parrots.
Where are we going?
Here,
Parrot.
this way.
We'll look at here until we see the parrots.
Here. Over here.
A python looks like a giant snake.
Here.
Huh?
There.
Where is it?
There's the python.
Reticulated pythons.
It's on the water.
Python. Over here to the other side. Albino Burmese python. I know you already see that on the zoo. I know you already see that on the zoo.
Yeah.
But next. Next. Oh, look over there. Oh, oh look. It's a reticulated python.
That's
There.
big.
That's a big one. I hope it's gonna swallow me. Okay. Next. Regulated python again.
Again, it's so giant.
Again. And it's so giant. Here's the gigantic. Whoa. It's a gigantic snake. But I think it's a titanoboa or something.
It's an anaconda.
Good. Good. Over there to the bridge.
Look.
What?
Wait.